Good morning, everyone. Welcome to today's Class 7 Assembly. Today, we are diving into something that touches every part of our lives, the wonders of science. We are here to share some interesting knowledge about science.
Have you ever stopped to think how we talk to friends far away in just a second?
Or how a machine can fly in the sky, even land on the moon?
Or how a tiny pill can cure a big illness, all thanks to science.
Let's begin with a simple experiment. Have you ever seen a magical stone? This is a magical stone called magnet. This is bar shaped. Let's see. This bowl contains iron filling. Now it will attract this. See how beautifully the magnet has attracted the iron fillings.
Science is not just a subject in school. It's the reason we have electricity, mobile phones, clean water, even this mic we are using.
And here's more. Let's take 3 beakers. In first beaker, we have normal water. In second beaker, we add salt to the normal water. In third, only half beaker is filled. Let's add salt to it. Now I will put lemon into all 3 beakers. Now in first beaker you can see that the lemon has settled down at the bottom of the beaker. In second beaker you can see that the lemon is floating. In third beaker you can see that the lemon is floating at the middle of the beaker. If we add some more water in third beaker, also the lemon will float at the middle of the beaker. Now you can see that the lemon is floated also in the middle. It is caused by density. Do you know what is density?
Density means how tightly packed molecules like honey is denser than oil, so they cannot mix easily. So every material is in different density. Now let's begin an experiment. Now let's take a beaker containing honey. Now add some water. Now add some oil. See, all 3 components have formed by different layers because of different densities.
Amazing! right? But science doesn't stop here. It's constantly growing, discovering, and inventing.
Maybe one day one of us will invent something truly amazing.
But remember, science isn't just about machines. It's about curiosity, asking questions and finding answers.
Let's show you another fun experiment, the starch test. I am taking two different samples of milk from different areas. Now I add some iodine drops in it. If it changes color in yellow or orange, so the milk is pure. So this milk is pure. If it changes black or blue, so the milk is full of starch, but this milk is pure.
When iodine turns blue-black, then the starch is present. Simple science, you can even try at your home.
And here's something colorful. This beaker is filled with water. Now I will add some turmeric into it. It turns into orangish yellow color. Now if I add some washing powder in it, it becomes dark brown and red in color. See, it turned into red in color. Now if I add some lemon juice in it, it will again turn into yellow in color. See, it turned into yellow in color. But why?
Because turmeric is natural indicator, it reacts basic like soap, but not to acid like lemon.
Science helps us to learn, explore, and improve our world. From light bulbs to mobile phone, none of this would exist without science.
Just like fans, lights, mobile phone they use thanks to the mind of scientists and inventors.
Life has changed from simple to smart, and science made it possible.
So let's respect science, learn from it, and use it wisely. Because with science, nothing is impossible. Thank you. And keep exploring the wonders of science.